Today's medical-centric topic is what helps with hip replacement recovery. Hip replacement surgery is a significant procedure that requires proper care and rehabilitation for a successful recovery. The healing process varies for each individual, but certain practices and lifestyle adjustments can speed up recovery and restore mobility. Here's what you need to know to optimize your recovery after hip replacement surgery. 1. Follow your doctor's post-op instructions. Medication management. Take prescribed medications, including pain relievers and anticoagulants, as directed. Wound care. Keep the surgical site clean and dry to prevent infection. Follow dressing change instructions carefully. Physical therapy plan. Adhere to your physical therapy schedule to regain strength and mobility. 2. Engage in gentle exercises. Early movement. Start light exercises like ankle pumps and gentle leg lifts as recommended by your surgeon. Walking. Gradually increase your walking distance using assistive devices like a walker or cane for support. Physical therapy exercises. Perform targeted exercises to strengthen the hip and surrounding muscles, such as knee bends and side leg raises. 3. Use assistive devices. Walkers and canes. Use these devices for stability and to prevent falls during the initial recovery phase. Grab bars and elevated seats. Install these in the bathroom and other areas for added support during daily activities. Reacher tools. Help pick up items without bending, which can strain the hip. 4. Prioritize rest and proper positioning. Rest periods. Balance activity with adequate rest to allow your body to heal. Sleep on your back or side. Use a pillow between your legs to keep the operated hip aligned when sleeping on your side. Avoid lying on your stomach. Avoid certain movements. Don't cross your legs or bend the hip beyond a 90-degree angle during the early recovery period. 5. Maintain a balanced diet. Protein-rich foods. Aid tissue repair and muscle recovery with lean meats, eggs, and legumes. Calcium and vitamin D. Support bone health with dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified foods. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to aid overall recovery. 6. Manage swelling and pain. Ice packs. Apply ice to the hip area for 15 to 20 minutes at a time to reduce swelling and pain. Compression stockings. Prevent blood clots and reduce swelling by wearing doctor-recommended stockings. 7. Avoid strenuous activities. Limit heavy lifting. Avoid lifting heavy objects or engaging in high-impact activities until cleared by your doctor. Gradual return to routine. Ease back into daily activities, ensuring you listen to your body's signals.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.